Go.
Oh, hi. This is my friend Eulania. Tell them your nombre.
Eulalia. Eulalia.
From where? Mexico?
Mexico.
Mexico. Stay in America, in USA, and she's, you know, in these economic hardships, every morning she has to wake up and pick up some cans, mucho dinero, and she will sell. And I just met her, and she was in the dumpster collecting cans, and I called her, and I gave her some cans, you know, soda cans, so that she can go and sell and get a lot of money. So we can see women, strong women are making it, even in economic hardships in the USA. She came all the way from Mexico.